Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I will show you how you can adjust notification panel shortcuts. So we have to open notification panel and then slide on the right side and tap on the plus. Right now you can change position of our icon, so for example we are going to put location between sound and the Bluetooth. We have to click, hold and then drag it, just like that. If you want to get icons from this screen, for example NFC, click, hold, then drag it here and put it, for example, between auto rotate and airplane mode shortcut. You can also add additional icons like hide notch, Dolby Atmos, start volume styles. So let's make it right now and then click down to confirm. As you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.